YouTube family, it is your boy Investing for Legacy coming at you with my watch list going into October 17th through the 21st, representing Alphapack, a bunch of killers. You know how we do. Let's get to some chicken now. I want to bring up healthcare to start my watch list going into this week. Like what I'm seeing over there, overall sector seems to be, I got it at the testing and bottom of a monthly broad information. So we get, if it stays above that I like healthcare going into, and these are the plays that I like within it. CVS, let's start with CVS. CVS is setting up a nice 322 rev on the week. Loving that. Keep it simple with CVS, coming off of weekly broad information as well. You see that three, we know those threes create those broad informations, and it's coming right off of it strongly. So I expect that reversal back to the upside with that 322 reversal. Loving the entry above CVS above 90.95. Next, Eli Lilly, LLY. Watching for that double inside week. This thing is, everybody is only ever bullish on it. Eli Lilly, rightfully so. Just look at the charts. Looking for that double inside week to break to the upside. I like an entry above 335.29. I think it'll go 2 up on the month as well, which will be above 341. I think it'll get that momentum after the breakout of these double inside weeks. So we'll be watching healthcare and those two plays. Let's keep it moving. I got a couple of Dow plays I like going into this week. I'm gonna start with the banks. JPM. This thing beat earnings last week's. Banks earnings haven't been. There's still some other major banks still going into this week earnings, but we'll see. I like JPM. I like the setup. I like that the earnings are over with. So the IV should be low on these option premiums, but I'm liking that strong 3 coming off of weekly broad information. Main thing that I see there. Liking those deep discounts that I'm seeing in banks all around. Period though. So I know those eventually will get some steam. Bottom of multiple broad information. Strong 3 up again on the week. And the Dow Jones is something that I wanted to mention to you guys. Has definitely been showing me the most strength out of the major indexes. When it's time to run. So when the overall market has been running. So I like the Dow. So you gotta definitely have some favorite stocks in there. That's one. Next one I want to mention from the Dow is Nike. Love this play going into the holidays. Inside week break, bottom of multiple broad informations. Still has that earning gap to the upside. Believe in this brand for sure. I'm sure we all do. Yeah. There's nothing else to be said about Nike. Like Nike, entry above 90.88 for that play. Last thing, there's only 2. I'm gonna save the rest that I got from the Dow for the pack. The last thing that I want to mention, I got 3 more holiday plays that I want to mention to people, to the good YouTube family. Let's give credit what's credit due. These are the real Santa Claus when it comes to 2022. So let's just keep it facts. FedEx. Keep it FedEx. I'm liking what I see on FedEx. It is nice. The real Santa Claus here. I'm seeing a nice 212 setting up on the inside hammer week. It has a nice earnings gap above still that it created on the drop down during earnings. I like an entry above 158.41 for FedEx. UPS, other Santa Claus, 2022 Santa Claus. 322 rev coming off of weekly broad information. That looks like real money. I like these 2 plays. I like the time of year, the seasonality for sure with these as well too. Again, we all know who the real MVP and the real Santa Claus is when it comes to getting these children their toys. So I like UPS, entry above 165.56 there. Last holiday play I want to mention is TakeTwo, TTWO, inside week break coming off of a weekly broad formation. So similar setups, how we like to hunt. And now back hammer week as well too, worth mentioning. Actionable signal there. So like an entry of TakeTwo above 121.27. I have a few more plays. I'm gonna save those for the Alphapack. You wanna get those plus some bunch of other killers and insight on the market on the regular. Please click the link. I'm sure link below will lead you to our website, Alphapack Trading. Make sure you like and subscribe to get consistent content and consistent chicken and consistent confidence from us in Alphapack. Catch you next week.